With the launch of our new website coming closer, we're extremely busy. To enhance our teamwork, we use Teams for all our communication and collaboration. To see what's going on, I go to the activity feed where I can see notifications from the channels where I've chosen to turn on channel notifications. I can see a post from Christina where the whole marketing team has been mentioned to provide feedback on our messaging framework. Since I want to spend some more time to review it, I'll just like the message to acknowledge it, and then click More Options and then Save this message to save it for later. Next, I'll filter to see posts where I have been specifically mentioned. I click Filter, More Options, and select the Mentions filter.